Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to post to Pinterest using the HTTP request node in n8n. This method helps you automate Pinterest posts directly using their API without writing any code. Start by opening your n8n editor. Click the plus button to create a new workflow. Name it something like Pinterest Auto Post. The first step is to add a trigger. We'll use the manual trigger. This allows your workflow to run automatically at a certain time. Add the node, then choose the schedule that fits your needs. Now we'll add the HTTP request node, which sends the post to Pinterest. Click the plus button again, search for HTTP request and select it. Set the HTTP method to post. In the URL field, enter. Next, go to the authentication section. If you've already connected a Pinterest OAuth 2 credential, you can use that. If not, select None and manually add the access token in the headers. Scroll down to the Headers section. Click Add Header. In the key field, enter. Authorization in the value field, enter your token like this. Now scroll to the body parameters and set the content type to JSON. In the JSON body, paste the following. This data includes your board ID, the title of the pin, a short description, a link to your website, and the image URL. The media_source section tells Pinterest to use the image from the provided link. To find your real Pinterest board ID, go to your Pinterest account, open the board where you want to post, and copy the ID from the URL in your browser's address bar. Connect the schedule node to the HTTP request node. Then click Execute Workflow to test it. If everything is set correctly, a new pin will appear on your selected Pinterest board with the content you provided. Once you've confirmed it works, go back and activate the workflow. Use the toggle switch at the top right of the editor. This is how you can use n8n to post directly to Pinterest using the HTTP request node.